2024 CR 2004 and 2024 CR 2158. Make sure your phones are on silent. State of Texas versus Maria Cisneros. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harrison.
Doug Campbell. I'm sorry, Judge Doug Campbell.
And are you Miss Cisneros?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea of guilty in each of these cause numbers. On June 24th, a PSI was ordered. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report, state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge.
Any objections to the PSI report, state?
No.
Defense?
No, Judge.
Have both parties had a chance to review the TAP evaluation?
Yes, Judge.
Any objection to the TAP evaluation, state? Defense?
No, Judge, but in the TAP evaluation, it does say that she needs to have some additional evaluation that's scheduled for September 10th, 2024.
All right. All right, and each of the cause numbers, well, let's start. In 2024 CR 2158, you entered a plea of guilty to aggravated assault of a security officer. According to the plea bargaining agreement, punishments be assessed at 8 years and a $1,500 fine. State is silent on your application. And cause number 2024 CR 2004, you entered a plea of guilty to retaliation. According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is be assessed at 8 years in the prison, a $1,500 fine, and the state is silent. Defense, any witnesses?
Yes, I'll call my client.
All right, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, you can lower your hand. Make sure you speak up and
Yes.
state your name for the record.
Maria Cisneros.
All right, everyone in the box, you all need to whisper. All right, defense, you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge. Maria, you understand that you're on two different charges, is that correct?
Yes.
And you know that they're very serious allegations and that you pled guilty because you are guilty. Right?
Yes.
Would you tell the court a little bit about your mental health record? What's your diagnosis and how are you being treated?
Bipolar, depression, and ADD, and they have me on Zyprexa.
When did you start taking the Zyprexa?
A few weeks after that, I was arrested.
And what were your symptoms prior to taking the Zyprexa and prior to your arrest?
Unstable.
Unstable what?
Mood swings.
Okay. And as a result, you were probably making some pretty bad decisions. Is that correct?
Yes.
And that includes the actions that led you to be here before the court today.
Yes.
With respect to the Zyprexa, does it seem to be helping with your mood stabilization?
Yeah.
Are you explain to the court how it helps?
Well,
Okay, so I'm so sorry. I'm going to need you to speak up so I can hear.
it helps me. I really don't talk a lot, but I follow directions and I just speak a lot.
Okay.
Now, I see that in the PSI, you have quite a few different illegal substances that you've used in the past.
Yes.
Do you have cravings for those when you're using Zyprexa?
No.
So it's helping with that as well. Is that correct?
Yes.
Are you asking the court to place you on probation today?
Yes.
Why do you think you'll be successful on probation?
I'm sorry, I'm nervous right now.
I get it.
I've never been on probation before, so I'm just asking you to give me a check.
How old are you?
I'm 48.
Do you have any children?
Yes,
How old are they?
they're over 18.
How many children do you have?
3.
And have you spoken with them about you being on probation?
No.
With respect to your family support, do you have family support?
Yes,
Explain that to the judge.
my parents and their parents.
Anybody else?
They're the only 2 people I write to.
Have they indicated to you whether you'll be able to go back to that home?
I believe I can.
If not, where will you be staying? If the court gives you probation?
Not sure.
Would you like for one of your parents to come up here and address the court?
Sure.
Which one? What's your name or his name?
My father Gonzalez, his name is?
Okay. Does he speak English?
No.
Does your mother speak English?
No.
All right, why is everybody whispering? People are whispering like it's for dramatic effect, but I can't hear if everybody's whispering.
It's exactly for dramatic effect.
All right, let's not do dramatic effects.
Okay. Now, in your PSI, it says you don't want probation if you could have it your way. How would you rather have this case resolved?
I wish I could just have time served, same time.
Okay. And you know that in this case, it's either prison or probation, right?
I would like to take probation.
And you'll do everything that you can to be successful on probation?
Yes.
If the court were to send you to DDRF or some other facility, are you willing to go there to continue to get assistance with your mental health and your drug treatment?
Yes.
And you understand that that's a better alternative to go into prison, I guess, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything else you want to let the court know? Are you remorseful for your actions this day?
Yes, I regret it.
Why do you regret it?
I was being stable at the time. Now that I think about it, I wish I could change things.
How would you change things in the future?
Probably not carry a machete.
That's fair. What else?
And be more respectful of people.
Okay. And do you believe those are things that you've had an opportunity to learn while you've been in jail waiting for this day?
Yeah.
Have you taken any classes while you've been waiting?
Anger management.
Did you complete that course?
Yes.
Tell the court maybe the top 3 things you learned in anger management.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm on the spot. I can't even
I know.
think right now.
It's okay. Take your time. Have you learned any coping mechanisms to deal with your anger?
Yeah.
What coping mechanisms have you learned?
It's a stop sign
Mhm.
and redirect myself.
Okay. And how do you redirect yourself?
I just think about, the consequences.
Okay. And right now you're facing a pretty big consequence, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there anything else you need to let the court know? Thank you, Judge Aldros.
All right. So I know in the police report, you had left a hospital before all of this happened. What hospital had you left?
I was Metropolitan.
I'm sorry, what?
Metropolitan.
And why were you at Metropolitan Hospital?
When I got arrested,
Yes, why were you leaving the hospital?
I went to the hospital in the first place because I wanted to, I had got raped earlier, a few hours before that, and I wanted to talk to somebody, but I didn't want to get the person in trouble because I wasn't sure who he was. And I wanted to get tested to make sure that I'm getting the STD, so that's why I went to the hospital.
So what is your mental diagnosis?
Depression and bipolar.
All right. And any other diagnosis? What medication are you on?
Depression.
All right. Any other medication that you've been on in the past?
In the past, I've been on a few meds. I've been on Depakote, Zoloft, Motrin, Paxils, Ritalin.
And how long have you been on those medications?
It's been years. I've been off of meds. I've been self-medicating myself.
All right. When's the first time you were given medication for mental health? Do you remember your age?
I was in my 20s.
All right. Would you like to have her parents testify?
Judge, they speak Spanish. I'm not
Well,
sure.
that's what
We have an
interpreters are for.
We have an interpreter available. I would love to.
All right. If you'll step to the box and let Ms. Ferguson know, and they'll get an interpreter down. We're back on the record in 2024 CR 2158 and 2024 CR 2004, State of Texas versus Maria Cisneros. Could I have the parties reintroduce themselves for the record, please?
Andrew Harris Salem for the state.
Doug Campbell for the defendant.
And are you Ms. Cisneros?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, defense, you have witnesses?
I do, Judge. I'll call Gonzalez Cisneros first.
Okay.